Hello and welcome to the Apothecary. We have tonics and tinctures that will put you at ease. I hope this video inspires you to get creative with your Halloween party decor. Some decorations can be found at the dollar store or at the thrift shop. You can also find items lying around your house. There's no need to spend a ton of money on decorations when you can upcycle and reuse things. For our other decor ideas, you can check out some of my other Halloween decoration videos listed below in the description box. Making potions can be fun. The bottles I found are available at Michael's, which may be the only thing you need to buy. I filled each bottle with water as a base, but you can use oils, juices, and other liquids that you see fit. You can use glitter, sequins, and other items to add to the water to make each potion bottle unique and interesting. You can also buy labels, or you can make them yourself using any paper you like. Personally, I prefer the handmade labels better. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'd love to see your recreation, so be sure to tag me on social if you do. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Have a wonderful and spooky Halloween. Mwah!